Hey, I'm Prasad. Most teams building with Model Context Protocol are solving the wrong problem. They see MCP as a cleaner way to connect agents to tools. And it is. But that framing buries the real issue. Once agents can discover and invoke tools on their own, the security question fundamentally shifts. It's no longer about whether the connector works. It's about whether your entire access model is coherent. And for most organizations right now, it's not. Here's what I keep seeing. Teams watch the demos where Claude Desktop connects to GitHub or reads local files, and they think, great, now my agents can do anything. That is the problem. Every MCP integration creates a trust boundary. Who is the agent acting as? Which scopes are attached? What data can be read? What actions can be taken? And what still requires a human to approve? If you can't answer those questions for every single MCP server in your stack, you've got an exposure you haven't scoped yet. Prompt injection makes all of this dramatically worse. Instructions and data live in the same context window, which means the runtime needs something far stronger than simple tool availability, scoped identity, constrained actions, a hard separation between observation and execution. Think of MCP like internal platform infrastructure, not a plugin directory. Authentication, authorization, input controls, output validation, audit logging, revocation paths. Skip any one of those and you're building on sand. Real story. I reviewed an implementation last month where a team exposed an entire production database through an MCP server with select star privileges because, and I'm quoting here, the agent needs context. That's not context. That's a breach waiting to happen. These same engineers would never hand a junior developer full production credentials on day one, but they'll give those exact credentials to an LLM that can be socially engineered into thinking it's playing a role-playing game. Once you see that inconsistency, you can't unsee it. The fix isn't complicated, but it does require discipline. Before you deploy another MCP server, map every trust boundary it creates. Define the identity the agent operates under. Scope every tool to the minimum viable permission set. Gate destructive actions behind human approval, and log everything the agent reads and writes. Not for compliance theater, but so you have an audit trail that actually means something when things go sideways. MCP is genuinely useful infrastructure, but useful infrastructure without access controls is just a faster way to fail. The teams that get this right in the next 6 months will build durable agent systems. The ones that don't, they'll be writing incident reports. Full analysis is on jprasad.com. I'll see you on the next one.